Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And I recently bought a vintage Kawasaki inventory, and the guy was a drag racer too. Now, I don't know this for a fact, but I believe this is a performance machine chicane front wheel. It's a Kawasaki rotor of some kind, and I think the rotor is about like 11 3/4, it looks like. I could actually take a tape and measure it for you. Yeah, we're about there, 11 3/4 or so. The actual width of the rim is about 2.75-ish. The wheel appears to be true. We'll show you how true it really is. It's in really pretty good shape. It could use a cleanup, like a nice polish job. It's a little rough around the edges right here. That's probably from someone changing a tire with a tire iron. It happens, but that could be cleaned up and this could be buffed back out. That's really about the main thing that's wrong with this wheel. Bearings seem like they're okay. Overall, it's pretty nice. I think the only marks on it are from tire irons. Okay, let's give her a spin. Not bad. Not bad. If you look from right here, you see it's really, really pretty good. So we're going to be offering this for sale on eBay auction. We're going to be asking $250, no reserve, and I believe these are expensive new. And like I said, don't know what the rotor fits exactly, but it's nice and drilled. Maybe KZ900 or something, or KZ1000A. I'm not sure. I'd have to measure and figure it out. But anyway, it's definitely Kawasaki. All right, well, thanks for looking. And there's low-cost shipping available on request as we kind of get around. Local pickup is encouraged. All right, thanks a lot.